First, to grace the red carpet and give us a regal entrance, let us welcome our very own language ambassadors and ambassadors, the students majoring in English. Once again, first to grace the red carpet and give us a regal entrance, let us welcome our very own language ambassadors and ambassadors, the students majoring in English. Serving us with an aura of sophistication that highlights the glamour of our gathering as they walk down on the red carpet. These students embody literary elegance, where each of their steps radiates beauty and class. From deep appreciation, dedication, and love for language, literature, and communication, they are now enchanting us with their finest attire, grace, and voice.
Mula rin sa pandayan ng husay at talino, inaanyayahan ang mga magigiting na tagapagtaguyod ng wika at panitikan, ang mga mag-aaral na nagpapakadalubhasa sa asignaturang Pilipino. Ang mga mahuhusay na mag-aaral na puno ng batis ng kaalaman at may angking talino sa wika at kultura ng ating bansa. Ngayon ay ating makikita hindi lamang ang husay sa pagsulat, pananalita at pagtaguyod ng panitikan sila maaasahan, kundi pati na rin sa kanilang nakakabighaning kasuotan, bitbit ang kanilang maakit-akit na kagandahan.
Next on the list to grace the fabulous red carpet are the students who bring a deep understanding of the culture, history, and human society. The well-known illustrados, the intellectual and enlightened students majoring in social studies. Dressed with lace and glamour paired with elegance and intellect, radiating beauty and sophistication, wearing dazzle gowns and regal coats. As they walk down the red carpet tonight, the steps they are taking echoes the knowledge of the humanities, and they carry the weight of our beautiful history into their shoulders.
Walking down next on the red carpet, the students with a unique combination of intellect and charm, the product-oriented, resourceful, and improved society of mathematics majors. Dressed in sophisticated attire, elegant gowns, and majestic coats, the students from this major are not only serving sharp minds and mathematical prowess, they also serve confidence, beauty, and refinement. They seamlessly integrate logic with creative styling. Their passion for numbers, equations, and mathematical theories. They turn the red carpet into their own mathematical playground.
Stepping next into the spotlight, hailing from the Society of Science and Technology, embodying intellect and curiosity, let us welcome the science majors. Adorned with their regal and finest dresses and attire, they are radiating a precious and sophisticated aura as they grace the red carpet. Just like the beautiful constellations spread out in the sky, they are destined to shine brightly and illuminate brilliance, confidence, and elegance. As a beacon of knowledge and discovery, their celestial inspired accessories, star-like shining dresses, speak for their commitment and understanding of the world and the universe.
Next up, on taking the red carpet, are the students who promote physical prowess with boundless energy.
to light up the red carpet, we are now welcoming the promoter of high-quality education for primary level, strengthening the minds and skills of the learners at a very young age, calling themselves the Elementary, the Bachelor of Elementary Education. Step on the red carpet honors the dedication and hard work of this educators paired with the opulent and regal style dresses. Last,
Last but definitely not the least, the red carpet welcomes the students that specialize in academic, vocational, and livelihood expertise. The students from Bachelor of Technological, Vocational, and Livelihood Education. Each dress tells different stories of creativity, style, opulence, and refinement. Stepping into grand celebration, it is a celebration of their passion and hard work in their field of excellence.
And now, as we further start tonight's event, let us all acknowledge the importance to acknowledge the unwavering support system that helped society, that helped them reach this goal. Behind the scenes, the college's exceptional professors and faculty played a pivotal role, offering not just academic knowledge but also guidance, mentorship, and the inspiration to excel. Among many professors approaching special bonds and offering valuable guidance that will undoubtedly serve as officers well throughout their careers, one stood out and aided the most. Is ECSO's very own advisor, Mr. August B. Tuiza. Calling on the attention is ECSO's very own advisor, Mr. August B. Tuiza. Hernandez. And for one of the business managers, Maui Balibahan. Calling on the auditor, Ms. Maria Marie Marcel. Calling on the treasurer, Ms. Kimberly K. Abdon. For our external secretary, Ms. Branca Maxine Fajardo.
We are requesting everyone to please rise.
Ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Please remain standing, and to formally start the program, let's begin with an opening prayer to be led by the CTESO Vice President, Mr. Philip Isaac Penny.
Let's bow our head and feel the presence of God. Ama, maraming salamat sa pagkakataong ibigay mo sa amin. Taglay namin ang aming mga buhay at lakas hindi mo po pinababayaan ang bawat isa sa amin. Sa kasiyahan ngayong gabi, maaming patnubayan mo po ang bawat isa sa amin. Ikaw po ang makasama namin iyong mga anak upang sa patuloy na pagpupuri sa iyo. Basbasan mo po ang bawat isa sa amin. Huwag po pababayaang mapahambak ng iyong mga anak upang makapagpatuloy po kaming lahat na pupuri at luluwalhati sa iyo. Itinataas po namin ang lahat sa pangalan ni Jesus aming tagapagligtas. Amen.
You may now take your seats.
Once again, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pleasant evening for all of us, most especially to our Dean of College of Teacher Education, Dr. Rosario G. Catapang, Undergraduate Coordinator and Organization Advisor, Mr. August V. Luisa, and all the professors of the various fields present at the moment. Of course, we would like to thank all the future educators for their presence and effort to join us on our very special night.
Ladies and gentlemen, please prepare yourselves as we are about to begin. We have a few etiquette reminders to make before the beginning of this night's program. I would like to request your cooperation in completing this entire event. Please observe silence and be mindful of the discussion matters. Also, be minded of our registration for attendance facilitated by the College of Teacher Education Student Organization Officers.
A pleasant evening to our divine and dazzling stars.
It is such an honor to be one of your masters of the ceremony. I am Samantha Jane Ponsecolor from Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics, together with
Mr. Jairus M. Valenzuela from the Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science.
and we officially welcome you to Red Carpet Gala,
a glamorous night under the stars.
Nothing can be more reassuring and heartwarming than loving words of welcome. To warm our hearts with hopeful words of inspiration and to deliver the opening remarks, may we all listen to our ever-supportive Associate Dean of College of Teacher Education, Dr. Rosario G. Catapang. Let us give her a warm round of applause.
Thank you, Ms. Color and Mr. Valenzuela. Tama ba? So, good evening, everyone. It is my pleasure to welcome all of you, the CTE faculty members, our CTE organization, headed by Mr. Adrian Abracia, and of course, with the advisor of the organization, Mr. August Luisa, Dr. August Luisa. But parang tiyatanda natin siya napapansin. Sir, nandyan ka na ba? And most especially to our CTE students, welcome all of you to this very important event in our CTE days. Tonight, we celebrate one of the important events of the CTE Days. It is the red carpet night. It is not only showcasing your beauty and good looking, but also I saw in each one of you, my dear students, your cooperation in realizing this event. Without you, this night will not be possible. I know that we have a very limited budget in this occasion, and yet you made it. So with that, congratulations to our CTESO organization. You future educators are the heart and soul of the education. Remember that you are the shape the minds of the young people. You will ignite the curiosity of the youngs. That's why you are very lucky in choosing this career in the future. Maging, anong tawag dito? Ipagmalaki natin ang ating kurso, ang ating course, no? Sabi nyo nga kanina, ano ang naging inspirasyon nyo sa pag-attend sa activity na ito? Narinig ko kanina doon, sabi niya, as CPE, hindi lang tayo talino, no? Sabi niya, ready tayo sa mga challenges na binibigay sa atin, no? And I want to thank the President, Mr. Adrian Abracia, for accepting all my challenges. Maraming pinagdaanan ang mga officers na yan sa kanilang pagpapa-approve ng activity na ito. No? So, ang gusto ko lang kasi matutunan nyo ay hindi pwede ang pwede na. Dapat pwedeng-pwede. Sinasabi nga ng ilang kaibigan ko dito sa loob ng LSPU, sabi nila sa akin, spell CTE. Baliktad yata, sabi nila, spell competitive. And the answer is CTE. Diba? So, ganito na tayo ngayon. Ano? So, before kasi, pag CTE, parang lahat tayo mahirap. No? Lahat tayo, parang wala tayong kakayanan to organize this event. Pero ngayon, lumili na tayo, no? Sa mga best organizer na colleges dito sa LSPU. Kaya dapat ipagpatuloy natin itong ating nasimulan. So, bilang CPE, dapat tayo ang namumuna sa lahat because we are the mother. Our course, the students, are the mothers of all the courses. No? So lahat ng kurso sa education nagsimula. Sabi nga, there will be no engineer, no doctor, no lawyer, no, without teacher. So lahat ng kabataan ay magdadaan sa ating mga kapatid. No? That's why you must be very proud that you are, no, a future educator. Each one of you is one of the future educators. So, ano ba bang nasabi? Yung body ko hindi ko na nabasa. Ang hirap kasi na may body ko. Basahin na ba yun? So, your hard work, our CPAS officer, your hard work is really appreciated. Thank you sa pag-organize ito. Bagaman, mas masaya sana tayo kung mas marami ang umatay. So, I think mga 20% lang tayo ng ating total population or baka wala pa. But anyway, so ito yung naging resulta and it is also considered a success. And with that, so again, good evening everyone.
Thank you very much, Dr. Rosario G. Katabang, for those beautiful remarks. Up next for opening remarks and words of inspiration, we'd like to welcome the President of the Supreme Student Council, Ms. Lumini Padua. But unfortunately, she's not here tonight to celebrate with us. We are to deliver the speech. Here's the Vice President of the Supreme Student Council, Ms. Samantha Jane Rulo. Let us give her a round of applause.
To everyone, our President, Honorable Ms. Lane Padua, sends her warmest gratitude and apologies that she couldn't make it through the night. But she handed us a message to give everyone, I quote, "A glamorous night under the stars. Welcome, College of Teacher Luis R. Alvarez, to our Associate Dean of College of Teacher Education, Dr. Rosario G. Katapang, to all the faculty and future educators. Welcome to this enchanting evening. Tonight, we celebrate more than just elegance and a dancing atmosphere. We celebrate the